Why is index-free adjacency key for graph databases? Imagine trying to find your friend's house in a huge city without a map or street index. It would take forever, right? Now think of a graph database as a city map for data. The way it connects data points is what makes it special. In graph databases, index-free adjacency is a core feature that makes everything run smoothly. Instead of searching through a long list or index to find related data, each data point or node keeps a direct link to its connected nodes. This means when you want to find out what friends a person has or what products are related to a certain item, the database can jump straight to those connections instantly. This is different from traditional databases that relying on indexes or searching through tables to find relationships. In relational databases, joining tables can take time because they need to look up data in multiple places. But in graph databases with index-free adjacency, the connection is stored right there with the data. So, traversing from one node to another is always quick, regardless of how big the entire graph is. It is like having a shortcut that skips the long search process. This direct connection makes queries involving relationships much faster. For example, finding all friends of friends or recommending new products based on what a user already likes becomes much more efficient. Backend developers love this because it simplifies building features that depend heavily on relationships. It also means the performance stays predictable even as the data grows larger. However, there are some trade-offs. If a node has thousands of connections, updating or removing those links can get complicated and take more time. Also, if the entire graph is too big to fit into memory, some systems might prefer index-based approaches for better memory management. But overall, index-free adjacency is what makes graph databases so powerful for relationship-heavy data. It allows for direct, rapid access to connected data without extra searching steps. This makes building social networks, recommendation engines, or network analysis tools much easier and faster. In short, index-free adjacency is key because it provides a straightforward way to access related data instantly. It keeps traversals quick, predictable, and simple, which is exactly what you want when working with complex, connected information.